Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a 10-minute day-to-day work or school makeup tutorial. If you're interested to know how I achieve this look in 10 minutes, then you want to keep on watching. So you want to start by applying your foundation and just take your time and make sure that it is blended into your skin. Here I'm just taking my Fit Me concealer and just highlighting the highest point of my face, including the bridge of my nose, my cheeks and my forehead. Then I just take in a blender and blend everything into my skin. You really want to take your time and ensure that each and every part of your face is just blended and flawless. Everything just match up flawlessly. Here I'm just taking my Davis number 40 pencil and just filling in my eyebrows. I just do nothing special but just filling the sparse areas before I go in with my concealer and clean the lower parts of my eyebrows and my foundation to clean the upper parts of my eyebrows. People will just have to bear with me because I look closely at the mirror because I can't really see well. I have really poor eyesight, so just bear with me for now. Once I've concealed, I just take in the blender, the beauty blender that I used to blend in the concealer, and just blend everything in because I'm using the same concealer to conceal the lower part of my eyebrows. Now here I'm using the foundation and I'm still using the same foundation to snatch my nose or contour my nose. Here I'm just taking the small brush and just blending out the foundation before I go in with the foundation brush. The brush I used to apply foundation and just blend everything in. And I also use the same beauty blender to blend in the highlighted points of my face. Still go back to the highest point of my face to ensure that there is no creasing or any lines, fine lines that my powder may set into before setting my powder. And I'm using my black Opal setting powder. Each and every product that I'm using will be linked in the description down below. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please remember to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button down below. You can actually see it. Don't think subscribe on your bottom right. I'm just using a small brush to contour my nose because actually the beauty blender is quite big. I don't have the small beauty blender and it does not do the best work with contouring the nose. So I'm using a small brush and just blending everything in. Here I'm just setting in my eyeshadow area with the remnants powder from my beauty blending sponge and also use the same remnants to contour my cheekbone. This reverse contour is supposed to snatch your cheeks and lift up your cheek, give you a lifted look, so I like doing that. Here I'm just starting with the warm brown color, which is my transition, and I tend to think or imagine that the transition color is supposed to contour your eyeshadow bones. So I just take my time and blend it in so that it's seamless. I just go back and forth until I am satisfied with my final look before I go in with a golden eyeshadow in the inner part of my eyes. Once that golden eyeshadow is blended in, I go in with a black eyeshadow on the outer corners and just further lift and make an appearance that my eyes are quite bigger, because I have the hooded eyes. I tend to believe that. So this is a trick for my ladies. Here I'm just trying to create a wing liner, and because it is an everyday look, it's not a must that you put on lashes, so I'll just do without lashes for today. And I'm just cleaning up the powder from the highest point of my face, and I'm still using the same brush and a tip. Another tip, you can also use your eyeshadow. I'm just trying to use an eyeshadow as a blush, and here I'm just trying to blend it into my cheeks. Here I'm just taking my Maybelline Super Stay powder and using it to set in the rest of my face, and I also try to put some mascara on. I'm just going in with actually a brown lip pencil, and just underlining or lip lining my lips before I go in with a red lipstick. I'm just using the Maybelline setting spray and highlighter to highlight the highest points of my face, and that's the final look. Thank you guys. Remember to subscribe. Bye.